Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuffin' Things. I have a quick take today. I want to demonstrate the two best ways to protect your cards when you send them through the mail that I've been using. You can use cardstock, like a heavy cardstock, some sort of thick, but that costs money. So what I've been playing with are the two Amazon Prime, which is the main way we shop while we're on the road, and often items will come with this white and blue bubble wrap, and other items will come with the normal manila yellow color. So I'm going to take a card, and I already talked about this card coming protected because it has this little dot that is sharp enough that it would go right through an envelope. And then I have an envelope. So underneath all this, I have my little jig that I made for testing various thicknesses, and we're going to use the 1/4 inch thick. So the parameters for an A2 size card to be mailed with a forever stamp only is that it cannot have any lumps or bumps, and it must be under a 1/4 inch thick and be less than 1 ounce. So I'm going to slide in the blue, close it, and see if I can illustrate how it goes through. So it goes through, does not feel like there's any resistance at all. So that's a good thickness. Another trick is, because of the location of this guy, I will often cut down and just put the protection where the protection is needed. And then that is good for weight. It's good for you since you're using a free material that's limited. See, that hides the lump and bump. Now I can still feel that it's bumpy, so it would still need to be mailed with a non-machinable stamp. But see, now that's really easy. So if you're at all questioning whether your package is thick enough with the protection, you can cut it down if you need to. Now let's try this big guy. Okay, so it's in. It feels very fat to me, and that is too much resistance. So this would fail the 1/4 inch test for the first class forever stamps. So my recommendation is to collect all of these that you can. When you get them, trim them down, put them in a baggie, and that's going to be your best protection for your cards where you're not spending any money. You definitely could use a cardstock if you wanted, but then you're using your inventory and it's costing you. Hopefully you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. Leave your questions, comments, and suggestions on my YouTube or over on my blog. I am not going to have a supplies list. I won't even be putting in a blog article, but you can still leave comments over on my blog on any article you would like. And thanks for watching.